Hello all, welcome to Public Cloud Design Tips and Tricks again. As a part of Microsoft Fabric series, today I will cover a little bit more on OneLake File Explorer and shortcuts. So the background is we are actually discussing the fundamentals of Microsoft Fabric, and in this series we are discussing Microsoft Fabric OneLake. Now, before I go into OneLake File Explorer, let's recap what is OneLake is. OneLake is a single data lake for the whole organization that we have already discussed in our previous session. Now, what is OneLake File Explorer? OneLake File Explorer is a software that enables OneLake to integrate with Windows File Explorer. So basically, it's create a file explorer with a view within your local machine, basically, or local laptop. Now it syncs all data in OneLake platform to Windows or vice versa. And when I say sync, refers to the update metadata of a file or folders from both the end, from Fabric end or from the local uh, local desktop or laptop ends. So that is what OneLake File Explorer does. Now you can start downloading that particular software. Please refer this link from Microsoft. Follow the installation instruction, and once you click OneLake File Explorer link from the installation, then you'll be getting a similar window where you can go and download the software. And once you download, then you'll be getting a MSIX extension folder basically. And once you click that folder, then the software will start getting installed into your machine. And once it is installed, then you'll have a OneLake icon in your programs, and that is the software gets installed in your machine. And if you click OneLake Explorer, then you'll be asked to provide your Microsoft credential to get into that particular file explorer view. Okay, so that is how it whole works. Now, yeah, so now once you install that software, then you will be getting a icon similar to this I have explained in the left hand side, OneLake preview. And that OneLake preview will provide you a uh, an OneLake Explorer view in the below diagram I have given, and that is nothing but a mapping of your Fabric view. So on the upper diagram, you can see a Fabric view where you have all the data elements within the files. We have a shortcut, a folder structure, and within the folder you have different subfolders. So that exact representation you'll be getting in your OneLake Explorer view. Yeah. So now from OneLake File Explorer to discuss about shortcuts. Okay, so what is a shortcut within a Fabric platform? So shortcuts are data objects in OneLake. Okay, what it represents? It represents a pointer to a storage location. So what is a storage location? It's the target data element basically. So a pointer to a target data element, and it is nothing but a symbolic representation to your target data object. Okay, and both the objects are the target data object and the shortcut object. These are independent to each other, and once you delete a shortcut, that will not impact the target object. So the target object will still be there. Only thing is you are deleting the shortcut. But if you are changing anything to the target object, then your shortcut will be impacted. Okay, because target object initiate a shortcut object. Okay, so that is where it will get impact. Now how it looks like, so in a Fabric view, if you see here the red boxes, so these are the shortcuts. So basically the shortcut icon looks like this. So I will explain you how to create a shortcut. Yeah, so now if you go to the Fabric view, so basically what I have done in my last session is I have created a workspace within the Power BI within Fabric umbrella, and within that workspace I have a lake house. Okay, so I have already explained what is a lake house. and within that lake house, in the files folder, I have created my own data element. So basically, what I have done, I have created an employee folder. Within that, I have three subfolders: education, music, sports. Okay, so that is how I have defined my data element. Now, if you go to the left hand pane where I have highlighted the red box, so for every data element, folder or subfolder, there is a three dotted icon at the right hand side. Okay, so if you click the three dotted icon, then you will be getting a dialog like this. So that is where you have the provision to create a new shortcut along with different other facilities, like you can create new subfolders, you can upload files. Okay, those things you can do, and you can start creating your new shortcut from here. So what I've done is, uh, I am creating a shortcut within the files folder. Okay, so if you see, the files folder is selected, and from there I am starting a shortcut. So what it means, once you create a shortcut, that will be within the files folder. Similarly, you can also create shortcut in different other data element. Okay, so now once we select that or once you start creating the shortcut, then it will first ask you where is the source. Okay, so you will be getting a window like this where you will get Microsoft OneLake as a source and other sources also like Imagine S3, Dataverse, and so on. Because I have created, or I'm going to create a shortcut within the Fabric OneLake area, I'm choosing Microsoft OneLake as a source. Now, once you select that, then you will get your own lake house, which is my lake house, and then just select the my lake house and go to next. Then you'll be landing with your own data hierarchy. Okay, where you have, I have already explained, like files within that employee and subfolders. So what I will do here now, I am interested to create a shortcut for education folder. Within that education folder, I have different files. Okay, so what I am doing is, I'm just selecting the education folder and I'm creating next. I'm clicking next. Yeah. So this is what it is. So what it is doing is, it is creating a shortcut for the education, which is the left hand side, and the target is within my lake house. Within the files folder, there is an employee folder, and within that employee, there is an education folder. So that is my target. So shortcut name creates the shortcut object, and in the source, it represents the source data object. Yeah. So now I will click create, and then here it is. So within the files folder, you have a education shortcut created. Okay. So what I did, I actually selected education, which is a subfolder within employee, and that shortcut gets created within the files folder. Okay, that is how shortcut gets created. Okay, now again come to the OneLake Explorer view. So now if you go to OneLake Explorer view, then within files you have another folder, education. So that is nothing but the shortcut. Okay, so here the education shortcut gets created within the files. The similar view you are getting here, because here the employee is expanded. You can see all the subfolders. Here, if you click the employee again, you'll be getting all the subfolders. Okay, so that is how it works. Yeah, the same two reference link you can follow if you want to, or if you're starting, one like overview or one like trial basically, then please refer these two Microsoft's links and start practicing. Okay, that's it for the day. Thank you and have a good day.